folks. Bill Vales here. This month we're going to talk about the Windows desktop. The desktop is the first thing we see when we turn the computer on and log into our computer. Just like an actual desktop of a desk, the Windows desktop acts as a surface for our work. We can place things on our desktop such as files, folders, and programs. It is important to know the parts of the Windows desktop. We have to know what the various pieces are called, how they behave, and how we can use them. We are going to be talking about the Windows 7 desktop, since that is the system I am using. But keep in mind, many of these desktop concepts we will be talking about are transferable to Windows 8, 8.1, and Windows 10. There are similar concepts using the Apple Macintosh system, but transferring the concept takes a little bit of effort. Desktop icons. Icons are small pictures that represent different types of objects such as files, folders, programs, and other items. This sample of my desktop has icons for the recycle bin, a picture of a donut, a shortcut to a folder, the computer program, a file named test.doc, and a shortcut to a file named test.doc. And I want to point out that the shortcut is this little arrow here, and you see that both on the folder and the document. Now, desktops can be cluttered or desktops can be sparse. This is an example of a cluttered desktop. This happens to be my desktop. And you can see I have a lot of icons that I've dragged to my desktop. Some are folders, some are files, some are pictures, various things. Now, some desktops can be sparse. Here's an example of a very sparse desktop. There's a few icons on it. There's nothing on the taskbar. How we organize our desktops is as different as how we keep our desks in our offices or homes. The key is to organize your desktop so that it supports what you need to do. The desktop can be more broadly defined to include the taskbar, which is the bar on the bottom of the screen. The taskbar contains your running program and allows you to switch between them. You'll notice here the taskbar has several running programs. The taskbar also contains some other information. On the left side of the taskbar is the Start button. The Start button is how we locate programs, files, and other items. On Windows 8, the Start button was removed. This led to an outcry from Windows users. The Start button has returned for Windows 10. That is another story for another topic. The right side of the taskbar contains what's called the notification area. This used to be called the system tray, but now it's called the notification area. This contains icons related to commonly used features or services that we want to know the status of with a quick glance. Things such as, what's the date and time? Is my audio on? Which is denoted by the speaker icon. Do I have a network connection? Is the virus protection running? Is my battery charged? All these things are displayed in the notification area. Placing items on the desktop is one of the more important things you need to learn. We're going to leave that topic for another tech talk. For now, you should familiarize yourself with the parts of the desktop. That's it for this tech talk. Practice, 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 and we'll see you next month.